Right, welcome back to the Selenium4 Features series. Right, previous classes we have seen relative locators and window management. Today's class we will see one more feature, screenshot. Right, how to take the full page screenshot and web element screenshot. Right, full page screenshot and web element screenshot. Right, in Selenium 3, right, if you want to take the screenshot, right, we can take a whatever the visible portion of the page. Whenever we will take a screenshot, it will take visible portion. If we want to take the full screenshot, we have to depend on third party library. Right, we will see that also. Right, if we want to take the full page screenshot, we have to depend on third party library. Right, first we will see in Selenium 3, right, Selenium 3, how to take the screenshot. Right, I have already created. Right, just created opening the latest browser and then creating the object of the driver. Right, just open the URL. If you want to take the Selenium 3, what is the way how you will take screenshot? We have to typecast driver to take screenshot object. Then we have a method get screenshot as and then parameter output type file. Right. And we have to typecast driver to take screenshot object. Right, take screenshot then get screenshot. We will get the output type as a file. Right, we will get the screenshot of the current open page. Right, now I want to store this into our system. Right, I want to store this into local system. Then file utils dot copy file screenshot. Right, just I will take a rename it as screenshot. Right, we can give some, while taking the screenshot we have to give some proper naming so that right we will understand this is for what screenshot. Right, like this in Selenium 3 we will take usually. Right, let me execute it. Right click and run as Java application. Okay, it will open and whatever visible portion here, right, it will take, it will not scroll down or anything, just it will take a visible portion. Right, it is, we got here screenshot. Right, next we can right click, open with system editor. Let's see, it got just whatever visible portion of the screen is taken. Suppose if I want a full screenshot, right, full screenshot of this page. Right, suppose if I open this, right, URL, there is a, if you scroll down, there is a still, right, we have down some, right, Facebook, these are all the buttons we have. Right, full screenshot I want. How to take in Selenium 3? If you want to take the full screenshot, we have to dependent on a third party library. There is a one library called AShot. There is a library called AShot. We can add a dependency of it, AShot. But just I have created one more class to take the full screenshot. Just create the driver object, open this URL. Right, you can take any URL. At any website you can take and open it. How to create new AShot dot shooting strategy. Shooting strategy. There are multiple shooting strategies are there. We can use the viewport pasting. Right, we have to give scroll timeout. Right, just wait for in between scrolling. Right, just wait for just 100 milliseconds. Right, scroll and take the screenshot. Right, by using this step, right, it will take the entire screenshot. It will scroll down, it will take the screenshot, it will merge all into one screenshot and it will provide the screenshot. Now copy the screenshot. Right, now copy the screenshot to, right, our local system. Right, here we can use a file image.io.write image.io.write screenshot.getImage. We will get the image object in which format we want PNG. Right here, file object, we have to pass new file of what is the file name, full screenshot.png. Right, by using we can use by using a shot object, we can take the full screenshot in the Selenium 3. Let's just to open the browser. Right, it's scroll down and it's taken screenshot. Just refresh it, refresh the project, and then see here we got the screenshot, right? A full screenshot.png. Just open it. Let's see. It has taken full screenshot. It has taken full screenshot. Right, like this we can take a full screenshot in Selenium 3. Right, now Selenium 4, if I want to take the full screenshot in Selenium 4, if you want to take the first screenshot, we will see how to take the screenshot. Right, that is normal way only. If you want to take the screenshot, right, if you want to take the screenshot, we can just same thing, similar way, we can create the Chrome driver object and then typecast JavaScript executor only. Right, JavaScript executor. Right, then get a screenshot. Get screenshot. Right. What is the method name? Let's typecast driver, then I will not getting execute script. Oh, sorry, why we are writing JavaScript? Right, we have to typecast to take screenshot, right? Take screenshot. Right, we will do that silly things we will write. Right, just take screenshot. We have to typecast to take screenshot, then get screenshot as output type file. Right, fine. Now, right, just file utils.copy file. Whatever we have taken screenshot, copy to our local drive. Right, this is normal way. In Selenium 3, how we have taken screenshot, the same way we can take visible portion of the web page. Right, visible portion of the web page. Right, that is fine. Right, if we refresh, right, we will get the right, this is the name what system editor. Right, this is a visible portion of it. Now suppose if I want a full screenshot, currently there is a limitation. Full screenshot will support only for Firefox driver only. Firefox driver only. Chrome driver will not support. Suppose if I write Chrome driver. Chrome driver. See, there is no method get full page screenshot. For now, it is supporting only maybe future releases they can support it. For now, only Firefox driver. We have to typecast our driver to set Firefox driver, get the full screenshot as suppose right if I don't do typecast. Maybe you are thinking already it is a Firefox driver, why we need to typecast? Because if you know the parent and child relationship, child specific method we cannot call on the parent reference. Right, get the full screenshot as the child specific method, Firefox driver specific method. So if you want to call child specific method, we can call only child class object only. So that's why we are typecasting to Firefox driver again. Then get a full screenshot as output type file. Right, then copy it. that copy it. Just I will delete old screenshots. For now it is supporting only Firefox driver only. By using Firefox only we can take the full space screenshot. But if you want to Chrome, we have to depend on other libraries only. Okay, we'll see. Just refresh it. Refresh it and then right click, open with the system editor. Let's see, it is taken full screenshot, right? There is no space between the first screen and second. Right, previously if you use a shot, there is a lot of space in between, right, both the, but here there is no space, right? It is taken right very neatly. Right, this is the full screenshot. Only for now it is supporting for only Firefox only. Suppose if I want to take the web element in Selenium 4, we can also take only element screenshot. Suppose I want this image, right? This image screenshot, or this email text box screenshot, or sign in screenshot, or I want particular portion of the screenshot, right? Particular portion. First we have to identify web element, right? Which portion of the screen you want a screenshot, right? We have to identify web element for that, right? Suppose I want to take this image, right? Image screenshot only, right? Image screenshot. What is this ID? It has a some logo, right? ID logo. Right, just created the object of the Chrome driver, just and one more web driver wait object. Right, just I am waiting for the wait until expected condition visibility of element located logo. Right, once web element is there, element dot get screenshot as, right, in the web element, right, we have a get screenshot method. The web element, whatever element we will identify and take the screenshot, that element screenshot will get either only web element or portion of the page, right? Whatever element we will identify and take the screenshot, we will get a screenshot of that portion. Currently we are taking only image of it, right? Image screenshot image. Right, now just refresh it. Refresh, see, open with the system editor. Let's see, it has taken only image screenshot, right? We can also take only particular element screenshot or particular portion, whatever web element we will give, that web element, right, the screenshot it will take. Right, that is one more feature. Either we can take full screenshot. Full screenshot for now it is supporting only for Firefox and element screenshot. Right, these are the feature. One more feature in the Selenium 4. Right, thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching, just please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Whenever I will release a new video, you will get notified. Right, please comment it out if you need anything. Right, if you want to give suggestions also, please comment it. Thanks for watching.